Here's the generator start button. I'll show you how it starts. So that was basically it. I don't know, it's just cold, so I guess I have to crank it a little longer. So right now it's running, and I can show you the AC and everything on the top here. It should blow. Here's the main switch, and then it should blow. I guess I'm missing something. Yeah, this one is not blowing right now. I'm not sure why. I may be missing a main switch here. Is there a main switch here? Wait. Is this the switch maybe?
Hi.
Yeah, this one maybe. Not running. Anyways. Colder. Yeah. So this may need to be looked at. I don't know. Sorry about that. I may be missing something. Like there is the oh, this one is off. Maybe that's the reason. I don't know. This is the heating. Not even sure. We never used the heat. I think that's a thermostat for the heat. I guess it's turned off. Yeah, but this used to run. I don't know why it's not running. Maybe I didn't connect all the wires to. I'll take a look at the house battery. Maybe I missed a connection.